Skytech has a large selection of products, and most of them use some type of battery. Let's address some of the important facts about operating your Skytech control unit while replacing the batteries. All remote controls come with two different parts, the transmitter and the receiver. We recommend that you replace the batteries in both of these components once per year to ensure proper operation. Let's talk about the transmitter. We're going to take a look at three different transmitters that use three different types of batteries. First, the 1001A. This is an on-off transmitter that operates with one 12-volt battery. Remove the battery cover on the back of the transmitter. Remove the old battery from the transmitter and discard. Install the new battery and make sure that the flat end of the battery is facing the spring inside the transmitter. Place the battery cover back on the transmitter. Turn the remote over and press either the on or off button. The LED indicator light at the top of the transmitter will show red when operating. If it does not, ensure that the batteries are installed correctly. Next is the 3301. This is a thermostat transmitter that operates on two AAA batteries. On the back of the transmitter, remove the battery cover. Remove the existing batteries and discard. To install the new batteries, make sure that the flat end of the battery is facing the spring inside the transmitter. Place the battery cover back on the transmitter. If the batteries are installed correctly, you should be able to read the different functions displayed on the LCD screen. If you cannot, ensure that the batteries are installed correctly. This transmitter also comes with a low battery feature. If battery power is low, the LCD screen will display a low battery icon, indicating that the batteries need to be replaced. The last transmitter is the TSR2A. It is a wall-mounted thermostat transmitter that operates on two 3-volt button cell batteries. Slide the transmitter up and out from the wall mount. To remove the existing batteries, take a small screwdriver and insert it into the small slots above the batteries to push them out. Take your new batteries, making sure the plus side is facing up, and push them into the battery holder. Then replace the transmitter back on the wall mount. If the batteries are installed correctly, you should be able to read the different functions displayed on the LCD screen. If you cannot, ensure that the batteries are installed correctly. Now, let's overview the receiver. The receiver is most commonly found underneath the fireplace, close to the gas valve. However, in some cases it may be mounted in the wall with a white wall plate. Once you have located your receiver, you can now replace the batteries. Place both of your hands on the receiver and place both thumbs on the rigid arrow. Use both thumbs to slide down the battery cover. The receiver operates on 4 AA batteries. Remove the old batteries from the receiver and discard. Take the new batteries and install them one by one. Make sure that the flat side of the battery is facing the spring inside the receiver. After the batteries are installed, slide back on the battery cover. An important note about the Skytech receiver. If you should find yourself in a situation where you cannot turn off your fireplace with your transmitter, simply slide the switch on the front of the receiver to the off position. This will turn off the fireplace. This is a manual operation and should only be used until you are able to replace the batteries in your receiver. All of Skytech's transmitters and receivers need to have their batteries replaced once per year in order to ensure proper operation. You can either buy the batteries directly from Skytech, or you can purchase them from your local department store. You must use alkaline-based batteries for your Skytech hearth product. This is to make sure that you get longer battery life and maximum operational performance. We do not recommend rechargeable batteries as they have a much shorter lifespan.